Hey guys, welcome back to Sakib's Garage. So first, before we get started, I would like you guys to do a small math quiz before we start working on the car, of course. Just a little knowledge check. So if
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap and he gets Gina. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, Dave!
Never mind, we'll do the quiz after I fix. Wait, Johnny, why did you bring so much soap? Anyways, so today we are going to put some small accessories into the BMW. Alright, so first I bought this interesting kit I saw from eBay, and unfortunately it's gone from eBay, but it is a pretty cool accessory kit. So the first thing I open in the kit is the license plate cover. I disassemble the old one and throw away the old one, and this is what it looks like without the license plate, of course. Next, I put the screws in and ta-da, it looks brand new. Now we just attach the seat performance pillow, which is looking amazing. And then we put the side seat performance cushion, which looks like you're entering a race car every time you enter the car. And the last thing to do is to eat Mom's amazing food. Today we have the amazing cheesy lasagna with the pieces of garlic bread, which taste amazing when you eat the garlic bread and the lasagna together. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe as well to have more content like this. Signing out. Peace.